So I'm making just about $20 a day on this computer right here. And about $10 a day on this computer right here.
Come on, Mr. President. Show me the money.
Show you what money?
Show me the money. Show me the money.
That's about $900 a month, and it's all passive income. But how exactly am I doing it? Well, if you guys stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started doing it today.
This is Houston. We can't get you to the moon. We can get you halfway, but the rest is up to you.
What's up, guys? Nick here with Above Average Crypto, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up the Nicehash miner. It's just a simple mining software that you can download on your computer that you use every day and use to mine Ethereum and get paid in Bitcoin. Now, you do have to have a decent GPU in your computer to be able to do this. So this might be aimed more at, people with gaming PCs, or maybe you just have a workstation PC that has a decent graphics card in it. You can give this a try and you can see exactly what your profitability would be. And I mean, as long as it's even $1 a day, I mean, you're giving up free money if you're not using it. So very simple, very easy to use. And I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to jump over to the website now and I'll show you how to get set up. And I'll leave a link down in the description with the website just so you can click to it and get to it easy if you'd like. But I'll meet you guys over there. Okay, so here we are at nicehash.com. The first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to create an account. You're going to enter your email, your password, all that good stuff. They'll have you verify it. And once you get signed in and verified and everything, it's going to bring you right here to this main screen. Let me pull it up here. Right here. This is what you guys will have. It'll say, welcome to Nicehash, all this good stuff, select services. So we'll go ahead and click that. Now we want to do the cryptocurrency wallet because they'll give you a wallet address that you can mine this cryptocurrency to, or if you have an existing wallet that you want to deposit to, you can use that as well, and it can be changed at any time. So leave that one checked. Cryptocurrency mining, that's what we're here for. Leave that one checked. And then buying hash power, I wouldn't worry about this one unless it's something you're interested in. It tells you exactly what it is. It's rent out massive hash power on the largest, blah, 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 blah. Let's start using Nicehash. So I got the nice dark theme on, so don't let it confuse you at all. How do you change it? Right here. In the far top right hand corner, if you click your account icon, it'll let you change from dark to light theme. I just keep mine on dark theme. But anyways, all right. So I use like a really wide screen, so it doesn't capture all of it on my device. So I'm gonna drag that over here. Because what we're looking for is in the top left, we're looking for that mining tab. Drag you guys back over. All right, so now we need to click on download miner or add ASIC up here in the top right. And it's gonna bring up this screen right here. Now it shows recommended up here, just the Nicehash quick miner. I've never used this before. I've always just used the Nicehash miner itself because to me it's quick and easy. It's super simple. So I might try this off screen sometime just to give it a try and see what the differences are. But just go ahead and click on Nicehash miner. I'm gonna give you two methods for disabling the antivirus or allowing it to the Nicehash to be an exception on there to where your antivirus won't flag it as a virus. It's just the way all mining software, all mining programs are built. They are built in a way that it'll flag antivirus if you don't have it disabled. Like my mining rigs that I use in my basement, I have to have the antivirus completely disabled on them or the exceptions added for them to be able to work. So don't be scared of this, guys. I've done this for months now. I haven't had any issues. There's millions of people that do this. But I just go ahead and recommend method 2. It says allowing and restoring the positive files. And I'm not going to go through this because you guys can go through it if you decide to do this, and it'll tell you exactly how to do it. So we'll click I understand. I have to make an antivirus exception and download. It's going to take us to this page. I just run the installer. No need to do the zip package because I plan on installing it now. That popped up in my bottom left. You guys can't see it off screen, but you'll see the download at the bottom of your bar. All right, I agree. I'm gonna do a clean installation just to show you guys how to set everything up from the beginning. That fast. all this stuff, blah, 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 accept. Right now we're going to log in. All right, so we entered our login information. We're all in here ready to go. This is going to be, you're going to get greeted with this screen first that's going to ask you about plugins. I just recommend installing all the plugins because it's going to have other mining algorithms that you can benchmark. And to me, it's just best to benchmark all the possible algorithms, because whenever you click start mining right here, after all the benchmarks are done, you'll see what I'm talking about later, but it automatically chooses the algorithm that is going to make you the most money. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick run through here of the interface. So we click over here to devices. This is where you're going to see your CPU and your GPU. Like you see right here, my RTX 3080, you can see my processor. I don't mind with my CPU, I never have. I actually don't even know how profitable it is. This may be an option for some of you guys that have a nice workstation PC with a good computer processor, but maybe not like such a good graphics card. I don't know, it might be worth checking out. But yeah, this is your devices tab. That's just going to show you, you know, load just basic metrics. So we go over to benchmark. And this is what I was talking about at the beginning, where you'll want to download all the plugins with all the algorithms and try to benchmark all of them to see which one is going to give you the best hash rate, which is going to give you the most profitability. Now mine have all been benchmarked. I'm going to go ahead and click these three dots and clear all speeds. Yes, we're going to clear those because I want to show you guys what it looks like whenever you do this. So you can either click start benchmark here to start going through the algorithms, or you just go back to dashboard up here where it says start mining. And whenever you click this, it's automatically going to benchmark all of those algorithms before it actually starts mining, because it's going to see which one's the fastest. Now, it doesn't do this every time you go into this miner, because once these benchmarks get done, then it keeps that, you know, that set up in the benchmark section. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and click start mining to start the benchmarks. Right there, you'll see it says benchmarking. I can click over to the benchmark tab, and it says that it's benchmarking Dagger Hashimoto, which is probably going to be the fastest one. But I'm going to let this go through all of these benchmarks, and then I will meet you guys back here whenever this is done. All right, guys, we are back and it's done. And as you can see, I have this black window popped up here. Don't be freaked out by this. This is exactly what it looks like whenever it's mining. I'll sit here and show you everything that's going on. I'll show you your hash rate and, you know, shares accepted, all that good stuff. But yeah, anytime you start mining, this is what's going to pop up. I'll show you, just give you an example. We'll go ahead and stop the mining. Click start. And here's a window that popped up off to the left. So that's what it looks like while it's mining. I did forget to mention that whenever you run those benchmarks, or even when you're running this miner, to try to close any unnecessary software you have open, because it'll skew your results on your benchmarks, and it'll actually give you a lower profitability too. If if you're wanting the computer to just sit while you're away, make sure you close out all unnecessary programs. These are really skewed. Like right now it shows I'm making $7 a day just because I have my recording software and all this stuff up while it's running. Once I shut all this up, it goes back up to about that $20 a day that I showed you guys at the beginning. Okay, I do want to run you guys through a couple things here in the settings. Click the little gear icon. So right here, it shows your wallet address. That's what I was saying. So if you set up a crypto wallet back whenever you downloaded it, they're going to assign you a wallet that is actually on the nicehash.com website, where you can view all of your Bitcoin and stuff being deposited from the mining that you do. You can also, if you have another Bitcoin address, feel free to pop that Bitcoin address if you want it mined straight into that Bitcoin wallet. You can put whatever you guys want into that right there. Worker name, blah, blah, blah. Electricity cost. Okay, so mine is actually 0.0835 cents per kilowatt hour. Now, where I found this was I actually found it on my electric bill. So if you don't know exactly what your electric rate is, then go check your electric bill. You should be able to find it on there somewhere. But as you modify the cost of your electricity right here, it's going to change the daily profitability amount when you're actually mining. Because what this calculator does right here is it takes into account how much you're mining, and then it also subtracts the cost that you're using for electricity to show you what your profitability is. That way, it just automatically figures out your electric cost right into this whole profitability calculator right here. So yeah, guys, feel free to, I'm back on the settings tab. Feel free to look through all of these settings. There's some cool stuff in here, like mine regardless of profit. If for some reason mining became unprofitable, you know, your electricity cost is outweighing how much you're actually making when you're mining, it would shut it down if you had this checked off. That's not going to happen anytime soon. As long as Ethereum's mineable, it's going to be profitable. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff. There's advanced tab. Feel free to play around in here, guys. Get used to the whole user interface and whatnot. But don't go out and buy a GPU just for this. Okay, GPUs are ridiculously expensive, so don't just go just for the sake of mining. There's changes coming to Ethereum mining in July that's going to slash some profitability. Nobody knows exactly how much yet. I think they're estimating like 30-40%. But I want to show you why real quick. You don't want to go buy a GPU. This is what GPUs, for one, they're sold out everywhere and people are just scalping them on eBay. Okay, this is 5700 XT. I bought 12 of these back in December for less than $500. They were like 450 bucks a piece, something like that. And that was considered a scalp price at the time, because these, whenever they first came out, their MSRP was like, I think like $300 or $350. But yeah, you can just see scrolling through here that the prices of them are just insane. So you don't want to go out and buy a card just with, you know, the plan to mine it or use this miner or something like that. I mean, if you need to upgrade your card and you want to do it, whatever, go for it. But like I said, there's changes coming in July. Nobody knows exactly how the mining profitability prices are going to be just yet. But yeah, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're trying to set up this software and you're having any issues at all with anything, leave a comment in the comments section. Ask me how to do something. I will figure it out for you, or do my best to anyways. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. But that is going to do it for this one for me, guys. Take care, and I will see you all in the next one.